Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone to joining this presentation today. Before I begin, I would to express my gratitude to Mrs. Ekarini Saraswati and all my fellow PBG classmates. On this occasion, I would like to present my learning experience during the leadership project course. This course has provided me with many insight and new experience, especially in developing leadership qualities, teamwork, and social responsibility in the community. Let's begin with the first question. Alright, let's start with question number 1. What useful and interesting learning experience have you had? The most useful and interesting learning experience I had was during the orientation, which include the vision of become professional teacher and service learning for the community. In this topic, I was encouraged to reflect on the role of teacher not only as an educator in the classroom, but also as an agent of change in society. I learned that teachers have a social responsibility to be actively involved in activities that positively impact the surrounding community. What made this topic interesting was how I could connect leadership values with the context of community service. Service learning gave me real experience on how learning, planning, and small action can create a positive impact when done with awareness and commitment. The leadership project we designed and implemented was titled Creating Eco-Literature Batik with the PKK Mothers and Sawo Jajar Batik Workshop Community. Alright, let's move to question number 2. What useful but less interesting learning experience have you had? The implementation of the project, which include project execution, management, and monitoring, was indeed useful because I was directly involved in field activities. I experienced the dynamic of managed resource, interacting with community partners, and overcoming real-life challenges. However, in some part, I found that certain managerial challenges I faced were not directly relevant to the teaching profession in the classroom. For example, technical aspects such as logistic or documentation of field activities sometimes consume of time and energy, but did not necessarily contribute directly to the improvement of my pedagogical competence. Alright, let's move to question number 3. What learning experience was interesting but less useful? Learning experience was interesting but less useful is reporting, which include evaluation, final report, and communication strategies. Is very important part of the leadership project. However, the process of writing the report often feel monotone due to administrative nature. Activities such as compiling data, writing description of results, and creating communication strategy in the form of report require a high level of accuracy but offer little room of creative exploration. Let's move to question number 4. What learning experience was neither interesting nor useful in the context of being prospective teacher? The part that feel interesting and not very useful in the context of being prospective teacher was when delving into the technical aspect of developing communication strategy. Although this skill is important for reporting, its context felt more suited to community program management rather than direct classroom teaching. Now, question number 5. What has happened? During this course, I have gone through the step of planning, implementation, and reporting of leadership project that I designed together with my group We successfully carried out the project according to our initial goal and reflected on both the process and the outcome achieved. Through this process, I developed real life skill in leadership, teamwork, and problem solving. Let's move to question number 6. Why did it happen? This is happened because of the project-based learning approach allow the student to directly experience the process of design and implementing solution for real-world problem in their surrounding. Through active involvement in the field, I gained many valuable lessons that I would have obtained from theory alone. Moreover, close collaboration among group members enriched the learning experience and strengthened the spirit of leadership. Last but not least, question number 7. If I teach or discuss this topic, considering the principle of meaningful student-centered learning, what change would I make? If I were to teach or discuss this topic again, I will place greater emphasis on strengthening student leadership character through project-based learning. I will encourage students to be more actively involved in social activities and build awareness of their roles in the community. I will also integrate this skill into classroom activities so that students become accustomed to planning, implementing, and evaluating tasks independently. Okay, that concludes my presentation on my learning experience in the leadership project course. I'm grateful to have taken this course as it taught with many valuable lessons, not only for the field of education, but also for contributing the community. I want to express my fellow classmates for their amazing support and teamwork. I hope what I've shared today is useful and inspiring. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.